SmartLAB, unlock the power of AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartLAB, where we simplify AI and tech for you. Today, we're diving into how to set up your ChatGPT account and start using it today. And trust me, you don't want to miss this one. If you love learning new tech skills and want to master tools like ChatGPT, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Open your internet browser. In the address bar, type chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll see two options: log in or sign up. Since it's your first time, click on Sign Up. Now, you'll need to create an account. You have three main options. First, sign up using your email address. Second, sign up directly with Google or Microsoft accounts. Let's choose email sign up. 1. Enter your email address and click Continue. 2. Create a strong password. Make sure it includes letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click Continue. Next, you'll need to verify your email. Go to your inbox, find the email from OpenAI, and click the confirmation link. After verifying your email, you'll be asked for some basic information, such as your first and last name and your phone number for security verification. After entering your phone number, you'll receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the code in the box, and you're all set. Awesome! Now you're inside the ChatGPT platform. The interface is very simple. At the bottom, you'll see the text box where you can type your questions or prompts. At the top, you might see options to choose different models like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, depending on your plan. Let's try typing something simple. What's a good tip for starting to learn programming? In just a few seconds, you'll get a smart and helpful response. And that's it. Now you have your own ChatGPT account, and you know exactly how to start using it. Don't forget to explore all the amazing things you can do for studying, work, or just having fun. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you want to try with ChatGPT? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what's the first thing you want to build with AI. See you in the next one.